Son, we're in a bad way. This thing won't run right. I know it's gotta be that fuel pump. We gonna have to fight today, or we just gonna?
Well, that's up to you.
I didn't ask for no dang trouble. I didn't.
I told they've been calling in on you.
For what? I ain't done a damn
Run
thing.
the damn moonshine again.
I couldn't get a car to run to make no moonshine runs if I had to.
Don't you lie to me. Get your ass up there on the floor.
Another day at the office. Hi, old CTR here. Well, we've been busy and we've been messing around at the lake a couple days this week. We take a little time off and relax. We've been working pretty hard and it's pretty hot. But we keep it doing forward motions on these projects. We got a couple of new mirrors here for old luck shot. Those part numbers. They're like a 63 to 65 Impala mirror with the bow ties on the back, about like what's on luck shot now, but it's pretty aged. I think it's vintage. But anyway, I got set for her car and set for this one. And we've got our new bumpers on. I guess I can show you that. We got our new bumpers on. Look at that. Don't that look good? Oh my. You'll notice it's covered in water's beaded up. The old rain beat it up on that new wax job she just put on it. We've also been putting in her new headliner. Got most of her carpet in here. It's a little dirty as hell, but we'll have to clean it back up. It's a nylon based stuff that we can clean. Got to work on the mirror a little bit, but we're getting it hung in there. Not finished yet. It's trying to rain, so I'm probably not going to end up finishing them today. So I thought I'd sit down and make you another video and kind of let you catch up. I haven't really talked about it too much, but a lot of people out there watching us that don't have all these resources around. They may not have a garage to work in or a car to work on. They still enjoy it, and maybe someday they will be able to accomplish those feats. That's not all either. A lot of them don't have the resources that we have available for our natural environment down here with the lakes and so on. Another drive-by. But we try to enjoy what the good Lord's put around us. We've got all kinds of amenities, man. We got lakes all around us, and they're huge, and we can go fishing anytime we want to. We'll just get in the boat and go. Not just catch fish, we can cook them, clean them, eat them right there on the creek bank. I mean, there's camping spots everywhere. You know, just about everywhere you go, there's some place that you can very cheaply go enjoy your time out there in nature. And if y'all don't have those means around you, you live in a city or whatever, it's pretty difficult for you to get there. Maybe you can enjoy some of these videos. And we're gonna start trying to put some of this geographical footage out here for you to enjoy towards the end of the videos. We'll try to keep you up on our hot rods, but at the end of it, if you want to watch it, go ahead. If not, tune out. But we'll try and show you some cool stuff. We've got some bullfrog tadpoles we're raising right now, and I think we'll sneak you in a minute or two of that here and there so you can watch them. But they're a lot of fun to watch them grow legs and turn into frogs. And my little boy's 13, so he needs to be watching bullfrogs turn into frogs. Anyway, we'll catch you on the flip side. Enjoy the video. I'm out.
Here, hold that. Keep it on your face. Can you see your face in there?
Hey, we're gonna put you in. We'll even roll the window down for you, stud. You got a flat tire? Do I need to kick you in the heel a little bit?
You got a seatbelt over there?
1955, there weren't none.
Right. Ready?
It'll shift itself. Don't lift and it'll just keep fucking pulling.
You ready? Yeehaw.
close? Burn it. I must have done a good job because all the holes lined up straight. No squigglies or no square reamies.
It looks good.
You get a impact on that yet? Maybe it's a bulk of it off there for you. That's gonna be shiny.
It's looking good already, just from the dry wipe.
I'll get after it with some Blue Magic and wax, because I've learned about the benefits of wax now.
Yeah, they'll like that. They'll respond well. How's that looking?
Yeah, that's pretty.
You want to talk about a mirror? Headlights, both of them.
Man, get a headlight switch. This is the
Headlights,
original.
nothing.
I thought I used to have park lights. Was it our fuel pump gave up the ghost at the last minute and we took luck shot?
Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
Worked every day until that one.
Yes.
Your car may have a little dust on it now. I just wipe it down. There's dry wash products, is what they call them. You spritz your stuff on there and wipe them down. It's like Windex, except it ain't.
Okay. Is it like the Jack's Wax line of stuff
Oh yeah,
I'm
there's
supposed to go
McGuire's
investigate?
makes one. There's a Show and Shine product. I mean, hell, they've all got their own claim to fame.
So I need to go read up and learn about these things and purchase some.
Yeah, Jack's Wax is hard to get here. Nobody carries it. It's kind of a... I mean, I've used their products before, but almost nobody in this part of the country carries that stuff.
So I'd have to order it in.
You'd have to order it. The thing is, you don't want to mismatch products. Whatever product you use, you need to continue to use it. Because some chemicals is not the same. They don't like chemical reactions.
So do your research, pick a line, and then stick with that line of
pretty much.
products.
Although pretty much everything that says it's safe with urethane paints nowadays, yeah, it's probably okay. They're not going to vary too much. I'm sure one of them will claim they're better product. They're all better than the other ones.
I'm sure
Whichever brand you want to be, you're better than everybody else's brand.
if we put this on YouTube,
Flying is the safest way to fly, and
we'll have a comment section full of everyone's opinions. So I guess give us your opinions.
yeah, leave that in the comments. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Come on down and see us. Send us some merch. Hell, tell us you want some and we'll send you some merch. I mean, that's how we work.
All's fair. Trade-offs.
Send more 55 Chevy bumpers that's brand new in the box and stuff. Them things are getting expensive.
But aren't they pretty? Bumper guards, bumperettes. Will be here in a few days.
They can't hear you.
You're right, they can't hear me.
Your bumperettes will be here in a few days. Your front half of your carpet will be here in a few days, and hopefully it matches the back half of the carpet because they came from different companies. Because it would be just so terrible, for somebody to manage to have both halves of a carpet kit for one car from the same company. That'd be magical. No, can't have that. It's only been, what, a year?
Let's not be unreasonable.
It's only been like a year and a half.
Yeah.
The one seal for the tailgate back there, we waited on it almost 8 months. It was paid for and on back order for almost 8 months, and we forgot we didn't have
In
it.
fact, I'll turn it this way so you can kind of hear me too. We forgot, we can't get close enough to do it. We forgot that we ordered it, and it was a surprise when it came in the mail.
Yeah, like 8 months later. Like, I didn't think we had anything coming right now, but we did.
And we still needed it.
Yeah, we hadn't got another one. They don't tell you that it's got a lift gate and a tailgate, and that it's only one in the package. It says for the tailgate, but there's only one in the package. But there's 2 part numbers and they're different. So be aware of that.
The square cornered ones for
The square cornered one's for the bottom, and the one that's just a soft seal like the door seals, that goes on the upper lift gate. Now that's not how they're put on this car, because I'd already installed it assuming that, you know, there was another one in the damn box, and the pins lined up, and I trimmed off about that much or something to glue it back together like you would expect. But yeah, we put the bottom one on the top. It seems to work out quite well. It'll be fine. CTR, we do the impossible every day.
It's leaking less than it was before. That's the seal's job, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a wagon. It's gonna come factory with a leak. That's
There we go.
55 Chevys, they come factory with a leak. If you don't believe that, go put every brand new seal in it you can, take it through the car wash.
Old master fisherman here.
Look at that. He ate 12 inches. He ate 10 inches.
He's 11.
Is he 11?
Old master
I
fisherman
got a
here.
fish.
Master fisherman, first
Ooh.
catch of the day. Me and Dad still smell like skunk, don't we, Dad?
Daddy will have me outdone before the day's over.
Yeah.
that's
He'll
his
have us all outdone. That's how
Captain
that works.
CTR.
Got my rolling Martins. My rolling Martins. 1980s, man. We're in our 85 model Champion bass boat with a Mercury XR4. Junior special right there. I'm gonna show you some of Norfolk Lake right now. Some sandy beaches right here. The white fine sand.
That's bad.
No fish birds.
Is it?
Yeah, they come down and touch the water and eat bugs. There's that deep hole of water right here. I don't have my sondy on the back yet since we fixed the transom. I need to screw it on there when we get home.
This is absolutely beautiful.
Look at that bluff over there, bud.
That is beautiful. Beautiful.
You know the cool thing about bass boats? The higher you get them riding wound out, the less water you need to have clearance. You got 8 inches, you got enough.
So now Bryant Creek is where we're at, we think. And that goes on up to Adams, right?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, you just keep going
Toward
on.
Adams, yeah.
See, it's almost set up just like where we were at. There's forks in it. I don't know which one's which fork.
I know your map, your lake map got destroyed in the boat from water.
far as you can go with the boat with the water coming down the creek. We'll never make it that far today. Because all of this would have been underwater at that moment.
Yeah.
Look at that bluff over there, that big.
Oh yeah, all that'd be underwater, all the little pockets.
Yeah.
Right
Yeah,
out
hooking them
there.
catfish out of there. I've set trot lines off of that thing
Oh, yeah.
lots of times. We're probably setting in 35 feet of water right now.
Oh, those dropped off pretty deep off that bank.
Oh yeah. Here, we'll take you over there to let you see it.
Captain CTR.
See, it just falls to nothing.
Land a ho! Whee!
We'll get you a handful. It's, yeah, you can walk off the nose. It ain't hurt nothing.
Yeah, Dad's got the boat handled.
That sand ain't gonna hurt the hole, huh?
Look at that.
It's like being in the Caribbean.
Bare feet marks. Somebody's been swimming.
It looks like some animals been here too. I see little foot tracks. You can see them really good on the camera.
Oh, it's just wider on around the
Somebody's been leaving footy prints in this desert.
Where is this fishing?
No, this is brand new part of the world.
We got the best tour guide in the world right there.
CTR, I've been there, done that. Wore out 2 or 3 t-shirts. Gonna keep doing it tomorrow.
Old
Come
Captain.
down.
Old Captain CTR.
We don't just build hot rods, buddy. I say I'm living the dream. I am. Sit them down, kid.
Seaward we come.
Soft as sugar.
Yeah.
Roll up now on it. Watch the old. Get a pot with your boat here.
The best part about this is
That bluff
we have
is
2 boats
beautiful.
and we live 15 minutes from here. Yes.
See that big snag?
Yes.
I've had a trot line tied off about halfway up that son of a bitch, strung out.
Really?
Bluff. Keep it off the
Hey,
top
I
of the
see
trees.
a group of birds
All them bushes and trees and stuff out there. That's
Yeah.
big field.
down there.
That's bushes and stuff.
There's a creek.
I don't know which one is what, but I know you can go up this one and catch the hell out of walleye and white bass and stuff.
Oh, yeah, really?
All kinds
That
of
one's
birds
really
up here.
reversible by boat.
That one. It looks like a lick creek, sort of.
Yeah, it's pretty flat.
Oh, look at the geese.
Is that one of them dang herons over there?
Yep. I caught a lot of fish. A lot of fish. That string went off towards that bluff. Keep it out of the trees. That string it off on another tree.
Yeah.
And string another one down here. damn bit of 85 though. Looks like home to me.
water bugs are endangered.
What do you
Yes, it is. What are you doing over there, woman?
Putting bows on my headliner.
You say that kind of timidly.
Well, I've never done it before.
Well, what'd you already do today?
I put windlace in. That was new too.
It's a hanging loose everywhere. But it's in enough we can get the headliner in it. And we'll start putting all our trim back on as we go.
It's a lot.
There is a lot. A lot.
A lot of pieces on a wagon.
But it lays in there nice.
Ooh, and we got carpet yesterday.
Yeah, we got some carpet. Trying to put the inside back on the inside because it's been all over my shop and my house and my other house, the upholstery shop. You know, stuffed in every vehicle on the place. You take one wagon apart and I'm pretty sure you can cover 9 acres with it.
At least.
You take, you know, it all the way apart and you can cover 16 acres.
I took it all the way apart. You said, woman, take this apart. Here's a bucket of bolts.
Yes. Yes, and then we put all new glass and seals and everything in it. It's all been apart. It's been painted everywhere to a window bed. It's been painted to pieces.
The seamstress made the loops too long.
Yes, we actually made the
terrible.
headliner too. We didn't just go buy one. The boy's over there doing an important thing. He's messing with the cat. We've got the supervisor down here. Old greedy gut beagle. Ain't that right, Annabelle?
He's probably related to Bob Marley.
Annie Bell,
You want to say hi?
say hi.
Say hi. She's older than 3 mountains, and probably
Where's a good girl? Look, her had a bath this morning. She's working hard to get dirty fast.
she's like 14.
Nearly 14.
Yep, we'll check in a minute when we start stabbing this. CTR.
You asshole! Them was good glass. What kind of crook are you?
Tow truck's on its way. That vehicle ain't legal to drive on the road.
Just another damn chicken shit, isn't it?
I'll show you what I think about your drinking water.
What are you, the son? You did okay.
Tracy made his ass clean.
I know they got that track arm on them. They'll kick her in.
tell it was, you know,
Right there beating the bottom.
a little bit.
Well, man,
Really
could have
good.
put him some air on the back of it and kind of cushion it. Still keep your ride height, you know. 3 or 4 pounds takes that right off. I know that. I've got a tool for that, by the way. I'm quite experienced. You know, run in parts some of the things the same with a 55 Chevy, right? I think the ball joints, control arm bushes, I think all of them. Yeah, I got all that stuff.
How do you know? One eye,